Hi. In the last video, we have seen how Python runs program. In this video, we are going to see how we can write program and, and run it. So there are several ways to execute a program, and the simple way is you can use the interactive shell, or you can directly run your file. You write your code into a file, save it as .py, and run. So first we are going to use interactive shell. We can launch interactive shell mm, directly by typing Python in the command prompt. Uh, this method only works if you, during installation, if you choose add to path. Otherwise, you have to go to the environmental settings and then you have to add the path of your Python installation path. In the interactive shell, directly write your code, it will give the output on the fly. So it will be helpful uh, when you try to test your code uh, before committing it. So it will give the output and that how your code is going to be performed. So for example, here I am giving a simple uh, addition. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15, and you can see x plus y. So it will give you the result 25. So similarly, you can print here hello world. It will give the output. For example, if you want to print star uh, for 100 times, to give this one. So this will be very helpful during if you want to learn the language. Second thing, if you want to uh, test your code. Yeah. The only drawback with the interactive shell is uh, you cannot save your code. So once you type and hit enter, your code will be vanished. So you can recall back by using the up arrow, but it's not going to save anywhere. This is basically helpful for you when you want to test your code. So to exit from here, you have to type exit. You have to get open and close brackets and enter. It will be exit. Second method is you can create a file. Example1.py. So beware of that. Sometimes if you don't enable this option, file name extension, so it will save as a text file. So you have to just look at it. So you can open this in any text editor and you can simply write your program. If you want, you can choose any of whatever you like. The most popular is the PyCharm. You can use the community edition. So here, okay, hello world. Second, you can print the value of 2 to the power 8 and simply perform it. Yes. save. So one way to run as you can directly run this as a Python and example keyword. Okay, I have in case of code I have given the so here sometimes if there is an error in your code, so you will give Python interpreter give this type of the error log, so whether also this will show where is the error. So this will help you in debugging your code. So now if we run this one, so it will print all whatever we have given. So this is one way. Second way is, so double click on this, so it just flash and go away because there is no infinite loop, so you cannot see the output. So in Python, these files are basically called as modules. Module files are often referred to as a program in Python, and a program is considered to be a series of pre-coded statements stored in a file for repeated execution. These module files that run directly are also sometimes called scripts. It's an informal term, usually meaning a top-level program file. So this is how we can open or run our programs. In the next video, we can talk about the Python objects. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.